What we've got here today is a 2008 Acura MDX that has come in for us to restore back to new. This was a factory wood and leather steering wheel, so you can see how the wood grain has just been rubbed off completely. And then it's got the old perforated leather on there that's just a bit tattered and worn. Some of the perforation is basically gone in it. So also it's got the basting stitch on it. I can't really see it in these pictures, but it's got the basting stitch pattern on it there. And so we will redo this back to new. We'll strip it all down, clean it up real good. Then we'll redo the wood grain on this with a really nice satin finish on it like it was done from the factory. And replace that perforated leather with a Lamborghini perforated leather so that it really does pop and looks amazing. And we'll get back to you after we finish the transformation. All right, we've got this Acura MDX 2008 steering wheel all finished out, looking better than brand new, because that's how we do it here at Craft Customs. Take a look at that wood grain finish on that, better than factory new. We've got that high-end gloss finish on it. Also, all of the clear coats that we use here at Craft Customs are UV stable clear coats, which means they protect what's ever underneath them from all the sunlight. So that looks gorgeous. The leather is just gorgeous. We went with that smooth Napa grain Ferrari black leather on this with, of course, the basting stitch on the leather. So this is all finished up, ready to go out and top off this Acura MDX. Whatever you need, reach out to craftcustoms.com. Follow us on our different social channels and share us with your friends. We look forward to working with you. And as always at Craft Customs, you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.